Indian traffic police detection. Okay, so basically this is the project idea where we have involved violence detection for the Indian traffic route. Okay, so in this system is able to detect multiple violence like system able to detect helmet status. First, let me run the project. Like in this particular system it will detect the helmet status, number of passengers, and if you rider not wearing helmet or if there are more than three number of passenger, and then it will look for the plate number and it will identify the plate number and do the recognition, and it will store the detected violence in the database, and it will also display in the admin panel. Okay, so this is a project idea. So let's go through the demonstration. So this is the login page for the same. So let me log in as a with the credential. Like admin is a username, pass 123 lowercase, pass 123 is password. Okay, and you have to click start. So here we have basically implemented three different modules like video, image, and live. So basically in the project folder, I have provided you one test images video data. Okay, so you can try with these images, or if you want to try with your own, you can do the same. Okay, and this is a database, so you can open with the SQLite. Okay, let me open the database. So this is the database, and these are the all detected violence. Let me remove everything. Let me delete all the detected violence. First, let me take them some back. Okay. Let me remove and let me save this. So there is no violence are detected. Okay. So let's try with the implementation. First, we'll go with the image. So you have to click image button, and then you have to provide your path of your image. So let me provide image path from directly from image. So as we have some images. Okay, so let's try with this one because this image consists of multiple writers. Okay, and then you have to pass the path, and it will then internally do some processing. It will take some time depending upon your laptop performance. It will take some time. Okay, and will do the processing, and it will give you the output. Okay, so right now it is under processing. Okay, so it takes time for first time, but when you try with the another image or next time, then it will do the quickly prediction. Okay, because for first time it take time to for loading and all. Okay, so as you can see, we have got the result. So this is the result. So as you can see, the first rider, this is the result for first rider, this is for second, this is for third, and this is for okay. And then you have to close this button. You have to click to close button, and then you will get this particular admin window where you will be able to see all the status like helmet status wearing, yes, number plate, yes, visible, number plate is not visible, that's why I'm not able to recognize. Okay, similarly if you go to next image, then it will give the result for the next image. Okay, and then you can go and you can check for everything. Okay, so just like this one, you can pass another images. Okay, these all are images which I downloaded from internet. Okay, so let's suppose this is one of the image. Okay, and let's try with this one. This one. So this is the result image, and then you have to close the image, and then it will give you the result, right? Just like this helmet is not wearing. Okay, this is a very kind of complex system. So we have implemented, but we have successfully implemented. It is in some cases it giving very good accuracy. In some cases not. Obviously, it's machine learning, so it's not 100% accurate. Okay. So similarly, you can try with the video module. So instead of video, we'll go with live. Okay. So for the live, so yeah, we have to look for the database as well, right? So this is the database. Let me refresh the database. Okay. So as you can see, whatever violence has detected, it got stored in this particular image path, and this is the violence, and this is the status. Once mean helmet is not wearing, zero means wearing. Okay. Similarly, number of passengers, and this is a timestamp and license plate. As number plate is not visible, so not recognized. Okay. So similarly, you can try with the live module as well. Okay. Suppose this is a live module. You have to click live button. but you have to make sure in the live you have to be very you have to be there in, you have to connect very good camera, and you have to be in very good lighting condition, okay, because sometime it taking your hair as a helmet, okay. So you have to be in very good lighting condition, okay, and everything. So like that it will do the prediction, and if any wall is identified, just like right now I'm not wearing helmet, right? So it will do some take some time for process like to saving the violence, because we can't save every frame as a violence. So what I have done, I have added a validation. If more than 25 frames detected the same violence, then it will store the result. Okay, otherwise no. So similarly, to close this particular window, you have to click this Q button. Okay, and then similarly, if I go to the database and refresh this, so as you can see, one violence was detected, no helmet, and number of passenger. No helmet means one, and number of passenger one, and this is a timestamp, and this is the email. So if I go to the particular folder, like this is the output folder which I have created, like this output folder here. Here all images will be getting stored. Okay, whatever violence has detected, it will store here. Okay, just like right now, this violence has detected, right? And everything it will store here, okay, this one. So like that, okay. So similarly you can do with the video thing, okay, but you have to make sure you have to do try with all these input data, or you can try with your own end, okay, and whatever will be the best result, you can do the demonstration with your college, okay, for the with the same data. So similarly with video, you have to pass the video, and once for the video it will take the time, like as per the number of frames available in the video, it will do the processing one by one. It will store the data in the DB, and once everything will all frame will get finished, then it will uh, show you the admin panel like that, okay. So as you can see, this is a very real time image because it has detected properly, right? So like that it is working, okay. So let me I'm closing the window, okay, as it will take the time, as video will is very big, okay. So let me close the window, okay. So as you can see here, number plate has detected, right? If number plate is visible properly now, then it will detect it, okay. If it is not visible properly, like in some cases, then it will not detect, okay. Because in real time number plate, it's like you also know, like it will look like this, right? So it's very difficult to identify for the algorithm. So as you can see, it has detected this number of plate for the some particular car, this one. I think this is the number for the detected result. So let's wait for the finish, okay, and let's see the result. It is working very well, okay, as per the expectation. So as we have used it very latest algorithm, so that's why. I suggest make sure you should have a you should use a good laptop, okay, with a good CPU and camera quality, okay. I suggest you can also you can click live images of your particular like but you can take your bike and you can click live image, okay, and do not wear helmet, and you can try like that way, okay, for the real time, and you can see the result, right? So as here number plate has detected, okay, and helmet is not wearing, number plate visible, this is a number plate, okay, and this is the number of person, number is the same. So you can try with your own as well, okay. So yeah, this is the system.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Do let me know in case you have any doubt.